Hi, this is Rob. Some features of the Cosori Air Fryer Max. An air fryer is similar to an oven in that it bakes and roasts, but the difference is that an air fryer's heating elements are only located on the top, and an air fryer has a large, powerful fan. Food in an air fryer cooks faster, is more crispy, and cooks with less oil than deep fryers. The Cosori air fryer comes in two sizes, a 5.8 quart size and a 3.7 quart size. The colors available for the smaller 3.7 quart size are black and burgundy red. The colors available for the larger 5.8 quart size are black, burgundy red, creamy white, and Wi-Fi black. The 5.8 quart Wi-Fi black Cosori air fryer can be remotely controlled through an app or through voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Thus, you can adjust and monitor the cooking process remotely. The control panel, presets. There are 12 different presets for cooking different foods: steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, desserts, and a preheat preset. When you touch one of the controls, that control will turn blue, indicating that it is active. Each preset has a default temperature and a default time. You can find this table in the owner's manual. For example, the preset for steak will make the air fryer cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. However, you can adjust this setting on the control panel. This button is to switch between controlling temperature and time. Then use this button to increase the temperature or time, and this button to decrease the temperature or time. The preheat preset button. Just like an oven needs to be preheated before you place something in the oven, an air fryer also needs to be preheated. Press this button to preheat the air fryer. The temperature will default to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the time will default to 5 minutes. But in this case, you will only adjust the preheat temperature and the air fryer will automatically adjust the time that it will take to preheat to the temperature that you want. These are the times that it takes to preheat to these various temperatures. Then press the start button to begin preheating. When preheating is done, the air fryer will beep 3 times and the display will show this. The shake reminder. Depending on what type of food you are cooking in the air fryer and depending on what food preset that you chose, there will be a shake reminder. Shake means to take the basket out of the air fryer and flip the food over or shake the food. Small foods that are stacked will usually need shaking, such as French fries or nuggets. Without shaking, foods may not be crispy or evenly cooked. If a food needs to be shaken, you usually shake the food halfway through the cooking process. The shake reminder will alert you with 5 beeps and shake will blink on the display. If you do not remove the basket, the shake reminder will beep again after 1 minute and the display will show a solid shake. The shake reminder will go away once you take out the basket. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this air fryer.